Let's explore how many hydrogen bonds a water molecule can form. First, let's understand what a water molecule looks like. A water molecule consists of one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms. The oxygen forms covalent bonds with both hydrogens. Due to oxygen's high electronegativity, the molecule has a slightly negative charge near the oxygen and slightly positive charges near the hydrogens. Now, let's see how water molecules form hydrogen bonds with each other. Each hydrogen can act as a donor, forming a hydrogen bond with the oxygen of another water molecule. The oxygen can also act as an acceptor, forming hydrogen bonds with hydrogens from two other water molecules. In total, a single water molecule can form up to four hydrogen bonds: two as a donor through its hydrogen atoms, and two as an acceptor through its oxygen atom. This ability to form multiple hydrogen bonds gives water many of its unique properties, such as high boiling point and surface tension. This hydrogen bonding network is essential for life as we know it, making water the universal solvent and allowing it to maintain liquid form at temperatures suitable for biological processes.